Welcome all, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Thursday, July the 7th, and we are breaking Bomb Box full size helmets. We randomed up our 39 remaining box and numbers. 41 is what we got. We did random team sales for this one on your left. We have already randomized teams. Randomize the customers, alphabetized everybody. Did give them a couple minutes to trade. I had an offer, but no one accepted anything, so here we go. Alright, here we go, folks. Well, guys, sorry to say, it's gonna either be one of our placeholders or the cash box, so I do like the fact that there are placeholders, because it gives us a little something to look forward to, whether it is a cash box or a placeholder. Alright, New Orleans is going to get the freebie. Wow, guys, well, it is a placeholder. I can say that. It's a placeholder, folks. Not a cash box. Also going to be a nice little bounce back hit. Unfortunately, gonna be Carolina, just like the damn Baker. You son of a bitch, man. That crap always friggin' happens to me. This did come in, guys, so let me grab that real quick. Sorry about that, but I had to grab some bubble wrap to be able to pack it in while we're at it. So guys, it just came in today. I didn't even have a chance to really unbox it yet. But bam! Going to be Christian McCaffrey. Speed flex. She does have the blue visor on it. She is a custom there. Beckett sticker on it. Going to be McCaffrey. I gotta move that damn camera back or something there. I don't know why it's so close. I might have bumped it. Alright, but who is Carolina? Wow, well, that one's gonna be a Xander hit on the bottom, guys. He only jumped in to help us fill that. And sure enough, he's gonna get rewarded for it with a nice CMC flex. Alright, who was a freebie? New Orleans. Who got the New Orleans spot? Freebie? Well, Pat gonna get the freebie on that one. Xander gonna take himself a nice hit into McCaffrey. So guys, again, we knew we were due for a couple of big boys there. Had not a bad night of pulls. I mean, the Barry Flex, and that is a gorgeous helmet. Hit the Rod Woodson learner, one of the best DBs in history. Christian McCaffrey Flex. And then the Baker Mayfield. Damn, guys, not a bad night. Again, just verifying that is Xander. Alright, that is going to wrap up that, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, about 2 Pops Breaks.